I'm stood so far back right now because my heels are just so high. But anyway, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm doing another Shein haul. I'm doing it at a different setup to my usual ones. Normally, you know, I have my clothing rail up and I'm flicking it through. But I thought I'd do more of a styling haul. Normally I do like try on clips as well with how I style them, but not properly. So this is how I style them properly. So it's like a Shein haul, but styling haul at the same time. Enough of the rambling, I'll just get straight into the video. So as we can tell, this is the first outfit. This blazer is actually from Shein. It's from last year, I believe, but you can still get it on there. Literally just search up faux leather blazer and it comes straight up. The main focus is these boots. Now normally I'm not a kind of printed boots person. I do prefer my shoes very plain. However, I saw Madison Sarah, I always talk about her in my videos, she's literally my fashion inspo. I saw her have some snake print boots. They weren't as high as these and they weren't this colour. I saw them and I really wanted them, and I thought there's so many outfits I could do this with. So if you want me to give you some other ways how to style these boots, because they are so beautiful, amazing for autumn winter as well, because you can wear things like t-shirts and dresses but still be warm. My whole leg is literally covered right now. They are stiletto, but they're super comfortable to walk in. They're such a soft material. Paired it with a gold chain. This is from Primark. The t-shirt's literally from Amazon. Yeah, so this is the first outfit. Very autumn winter. Sorry I keep itching my nose. I say this every video. My nose gets so itchy when I film. Don't know what that's about. For the next outfit, I haven't put shoes on for this just because the tan on my feet is disgusting. It's literally peeling off. So I'll show you the heels now. If you're going to grab anything from this haul, please buy these. I have never found a pair of heels that are so comfortable, so beautiful, and just amazing to wear. I went out a few weeks ago and I wore some like over the toe heels. My feet was killing. It was just so tight. But these heels, if I come really close, can you see they've got little white bits where it's like elasticated, so they're not too tight on your feet, which I love. I do wish the heel was orange too instead of clear, but I honestly don't mind. I prefer a square toe heel, so that's what I've grabbed here. They do have these in nude. I think I'm going to pick them up next time because I love these so much. I wish they had them in every single colour because I would buy them all. They do go over the toe as I said, but it's super comfortable. You can't feel it pulling on your toe. Your toes don't feel like they're separating. They don't feel like they're going to stop being friends anymore. They're amazing. The straps aren't tight. It's just so easy to walk in. You don't even feel them on your feet. The heel is fairly high, but it's comfortable. You know what I mean? So these are amazing. I would pair these with this outfit. I'd also wear these with jeans as well. And then we've got this cord. This is actually a cord. Got a lovely halter neck, but cow neck at the same time. Very flattering. Makes you look like you have boobs when you don't. And then it just goes into a V and it's kind of frilly. The skirt's like frilly as well, but it's bodycon up here and then frills out, which I think is really nice, and does have some ruching, which is amazing for when you go out. I think this will look amazing on holiday. If you don't want to wear heels, you can wear wedges with this. Again, I think they had a few colours in this too. How cute is this dress? It's really cute. I'd also pair this dress with the orange heels I showed you because it's got some orange in. I feel like there's a lot going on with this dress. This is like not adjustable but removable, so you could have it just as normal straps or just one over, etc. But I like the crisscross with a bit of skin. That's nice. Ruched here. It's got a cool little marbly pattern in it. I do wish this was a little bit smaller. It's a little bit big on me, but you can't really tell just because I prefer things to be actually showing my waist instead of making me look square. Again, with wedges, this would look amazing on holiday, stuff like that. It's kind of the vibe I'm going for here. But it's really thick and comfortable, not see-through, just a bit loose because I don't have much going on here. It's not a lot going on there, so we do need little something. I love dresses that are so versatile. They're just my favourite. If you don't have like a little black dress in your wardrobe, what are you doing? This can be styled so many ways, worn to so many places. If you want to chill it down, blue denim jacket and some trainers in a bag, or if you want to go on a night out, you can wear heels. You can wear this anywhere. Literally, like you can wear it to a picnic, you can wear it on a date, you can wear it on holiday. I like this too. This is adjustable, so if you want a bit more chest out, you can do that. And I like how it's kind of cut out, just gives it a bit of something else. Then it's frilly on the bottom. They had this in so many colours. It's a lovely material, not see-through, more like of it's this, I wouldn't call it slinky, but like scuba material, but it's really stretchy and comfortable. What I'd actually wear these with is these shoes I obviously got from Shein. Why am I saying Shein? I normally say Shein, but so many people comment like it's Shein or it's Shein or it's this, and I'm like, go away. But now I'm saying it. I know, call it what you want. I don't care. Anyway, I really wanted some wedges. Ever since I was watching Love Island, I saw they was wearing so many outfits with wedges, and I never thought to get wedges ever. It's just not been on my list of things I need. But then I saw everyone wearing them and I was like, wow, they look sick. So yeah, I got them because of Love Island. I don't care. But these are so amazing. They remind me of the Valentino ones. So they're nude here, and then of course got the, what is this, like wicker? I don't know, because a wicker basket. Wicker, wooden, no, I don't know, what is this, straw? Anyways, very comfortable to walk in. You literally don't feel like you're wearing heels. It's the weirdest thing. I've never worn wedges before, and it was so strange. I felt like I was walking on clouds. And then it's got the gold studding all over them, which I think is so fun. I'd wear these with this dress obviously, but you can wear them with blazers and jeans, and there's so many ways. If you don't own a pair of wedges, you really need to add them to your wardrobes. I didn't think I needed them, but I really did. Grabbed another one of them like tea dresses like I just showed you. These are different. So this one's just ruched, and you pull the sides to make them longer or shorter. I feel like it looks flattering long or short. I have tied it at the back with a hairband just because it was a little bit loose, just so shows my figure a bit more. This is a bit more closed compared to the other one, so it's just got the middle opening. Again, with the pulling here. Again, would wear this with the wedges. I also would style it with this fur coat. Let me show you. This isn't from Shein, but I just got to show you how I'd style it. This is how I'd style it with this bag and jacket. Maybe too much for some people, but I really like the look of this. Just feel like it's cute. I have this coat in so many colours. This is from AliExpress, by the way. But I just feel like that's really nice for like a night out or drinks, and it doesn't ruin the outfit, because sometimes when you add a coat it ruins the outfit, but this really makes the outfit even better. Now to go in with a more casual fit. I know crash velvet is kind of iffy with some people. You like it or you don't. I do and I don't, just depending on what it's like. I saw this on someone on TikTok and it looked really nice. Doesn't really look that good on me. I don't know, I just feel like the fit might be a little bit weird. It's cuffed on the bottom and stuff, but I don't know how I'm feeling about it. The jacket's cute. It's really good quality though. Like, it doesn't feel too thin. There's just something that's just not hitting it for me. Like, I wouldn't go out my way to buy it. I wouldn't tell you to go out your way to buy it. But if you do like crush velvet tracksuit, you like this. But it is cropped actually, and then zip up and stuff. If it's your vibe, then you go for it. I'm gonna have to hold these up a bit because they are a bit big. This is another Love Island purchase. If you watched Love Island this year, like, you would have seen these shorts everywhere. My literal bum, out. It's literally out. It's not cute. It's not a good look. They are cute, and I feel like if you don't mind your bum out, then you do you. There's just some flowy denim shorts. They're just a bit too big for me. I guess if you put a belt on, they'd be fine, but I just feel like, yeah, my bum's out. Maybe if it had a gold chain, some white Air Forces and long socks, it would look really good. When they're sat like this, like on my waist like that, like my bum is a bit more covered, but it's when I actually cinch them in, like I'd wear them, my bum is out. And it's really not good. My dad said they look like a nappy, so that's not a great start. I absolutely live for a plain lounge set. I live in lounge sets all the time. Joggers, crop tops, anything like that I live in. I clean in them, they're just great. This is just a little bit loose and baggy on me, but that's the problem. Nothing ever fits me properly, but the top's really nice and flattering. It's just some ribbed leggings and top. The waist isn't adjustable, which is one thing I will say really hate. They have these in so many colours. You could style this up, like one of them fur coats. I see people do that all the time with some sliders, like diamond ones. That looks really nice. You could wear a black one as well if you wanted to keep it all black. Or you can add some colour in there, pink sliders. And what I can see in the mirror doesn't look see-through. But that's, even with lights on, like, I don't think it's see-through. Can you see anything? I can't. The brown trend is back in full swing. I love a long sleeve dress. It's just my favourite. How it's a bit of a plunge. And this is ruched. Oh, got skew with. This bag is also from Shein. I'm a bit tall right now, so maybe I'll crouch. It's from Shein. It looks like them little Jacquemus bags. I do have this in light pink. It does come with a gold chain as well. If you just like the shape of the Jacquemus bags, or you don't want to spend the money, I'll just grab one of these. These boots are also from Shein. I got these last year in a couple hauls ago. Not see-through, ribbed, soft. This is the perfect brown, like it's not too cold, not too warm. It's that in between, it's complementary, look amazing on blondes, brunettes, gingers, anyone. And it's a really good fit. Like, it's not loose on my waist, which is a shock because everything is loose on my waist, nothing fit. You can even have it there. Oh, that looks cute. If you have watched any of my old Shein hauls, first of all, love you. Second of all, you would have remembered I did have an obsession with tweed. I love tweed. I feel like it's so classy. You really don't need to go to all the expensive places. Shein and your tweed is so good. You need to watch my other hauls because I have some banging pieces from there. Chanel vibes, I know. The skirt is a little long, but I like it, which is weird because I love my things short. This, I feel like it's classy. I did just add a little white vest. You can have a roll neck if you do like to make it more modest, which is up to you. It's got pearl buttons. These are attached super well. Here we go, just a little close up. Just add a little black bag with it and it will look great. It's just very nice, isn't it? You honestly would not believe me if I told you this was from Shein. Shein sell these type blazers. Like every boutique under the sun sells these blazers. And even Shein does. I was not expecting that. As you can see, a little bit big, but that can easily be adjusted. You can, you know, see what you want. I don't know how you adjust things. Could be nice for over the shoulder. Got the gold buttons like every one of these blazers do. Same with down the sleeve. Lovely pink colour. They had these in a couple colours. These coated jeans are actually from Shein. Are long for me. I haven't adjusted them at the bottom, as you can see. That looks ugly. But these are fleece lined. A lot of Shein's faux leather trousers are fleece lined, which I really do enjoy. Keeps you warm, especially for autumn winter when it's getting colder. I love these jeans with blazers like this. You can wear the wedges from earlier, you can wear some boots, you can wear heels. These are just so lovely and I was so shocked to see it on Shein. Did grab it in another colour. Tell me this is not Zara. It's amazing. The quality is actually quite nice, to be fair. Just a little bit thinner. It is still good quality, like this shoulder padding. It will keep you warm. Shein, you're doing good. You're pulling out the stops this winter. I'm going to show you these two items separately just so you can see. This is a cord, but look how big the bottoms are. If you really like an oversized fit, you'd love these. I feel like to chill in, these would be amazing. Of course you can have them high-waisted. Oh, got a bit of black fluff. And there's drawstrings and a thick waistband. And then for the jumper, it's just an oversized cream cord. A little bit on the thin side compared to my other tracksuits I have. I do have a tracksuit from Shein. Again, couple hauls away. This is why I need to watch all my hauls. If you like the fit of this, like, look how baggy it is. Remember, I am 5 foot and size and reference, I go either a size 2 if that's an option, 4 or 6. Rarely a 6. It is fleece lined, which is really nice. Some chunky trainers or a big puffer. It will just look really nice for autumn winter. So if that's your vibe, you'd love this. On to our last two items now. I'll talk about the bag first. Bright lime green quilted bag. Really wanted a green bag. I will be honest, this does feel quite cheap. There is other ones on Shein that do look better quality, so I'll go for them. They just have a thick strap. This is a thin strap. Gold chain, you know, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. But that's just my honest opinion. I'm always going to be honest. This is a bit big, but I looked on the label and it said medium, so I think they maybe sent me the wrong size by accident. But if this did fit me, just imagine, like, that's it all pulled in. Look how fit that is. Amazing. I do have like a white set like this already in my wardrobe, but I wanted to test one from Shein. It is really nice. I wear it with everything. To have a little white set like this in your wardrobe is very essential. I would recommend this, to be fair, just in your size, obviously. It's not see-through, super thick, lovely waistband. If you were looking for a set like this, then you'd absolutely love that. I think that's everything. Wow, I got through that so quick. I'm so proud of myself. Don't forget to use my discount code. I think it's 15 chyna.xx. I forgot to say at the start. I do that every Shein haul. I forget to say it. I will have to pop it on screen when I will. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.